Hi, I'm Bob Hamrick, Chairman and CEO of Coldwell Banker Premier Realty. Welcome to the July issue of the Monthly Minute Market Update for Southern Nevada. Although a mixed lot, June's numbers generally continue the positive trend we've enjoyed all year, and in fact, for the past several years. New listings were up 1% from last month, yet remain down year to date, and available inventory is down 28% year over year. As an interesting comparison, available inventory in the condo townhouse market has been cut in half from last year's numbers, as buyers are appreciating the much lower sales prices and the increased availability of financing in this sector. New residential sales were down almost 7% from May's vibrant pace, while closed sales increased and are almost 11% ahead year over year. The median sales price also increased by 3% for the month and remains 10% ahead of last year's numbers, with a median price per square foot of $138. The average days on the market continued its drop and is now at 36 days, down 26% from last year. Based on these numbers, it's rather obvious that Southern Nevada's sound economic fundamentals are fueling the continued strength of our real estate market. The overall strength of our national economy and real estate market has created a fertile environment for many new models of selling real estate. One of those models is a refined version of a company you've probably heard of, We Buy Ugly Houses. With the national shortage of residential inventory, Wall Street investors have fueled the resurgence of the old fix and flip concept. These companies, now more favorably dubbed as iBuyers, prey on individual homeowners whose need for both cash and certainty of sale overrides their desire for maximum returns. The perceived potential of this market has now caused the well-known real estate information company Zillow to test this model right here in Las Vegas by encouraging sellers to obtain an instant offer from their 10 Wall Street investment company partners. On the surface, and due largely to their low cost of funds, these iBuyers appear competitive, offering prices tied to comparable sales and subtracting fees averaging around 9% of the sales price. Many highly motivated sellers are understandably intrigued by what might seem as only a 3% discount to the market after paying commissions and closing costs. Digging deeper, however, and understanding the unique dynamics of our current market, the delta between the iBuyer offer and what our open market should deliver likely increases dramatically, and it comes down to the all-important CMA, or comparative market analysis. You see, Las Vegas home prices have been increasing by almost 1% every month, yet it is generally accepted that comparable sales as old as 6 months can be used to estimate a property's value. So, for example, if you expect to sell your home a couple of months from now, your iBuyer offer could be off by 8% based on market data alone. On a $300,000 home, that's $24,000 that's ending up in someone else's pocket instead of yours. A heavy price to pay to speed up the process of selling your home, especially considering with inventory at extreme lows, homes in that price range are selling in about 30 days on average. Also, keep in mind that the entire purpose of an iBuyer purchase is to realize a profit from the transaction. So, almost by design, the only way they can win is if you lose. While there is clearly a market for iBuyers and a value they provide to a sliver of the selling public, our simple advice would be to always compare your iBuyer offer to that of the CMA provided by your real estate agent, like the Coldwell Banker Premier Realty sales professional responsible for you receiving this video. Thanks again for making us your real estate company of choice. Try to stay cool and dry during our monsoon season, and I'll see you next month.